Hello, Peoria Unified Community. I'm coming to you today to discuss the increase in COVID-19 cases we are seeing in our community, county, and state. Each week, we continue to monitor our health data and communicate to you through a variety of formats what our current community and school COVID numbers are. We want to make sure that our students, parents, and staff have the most accurate data and are able to understand what impact COVID is having on our ability to offer in-person learning. Last week was the first week we saw our cases move beyond 100 cases per 100,000 since before school started, and we anticipate the other two benchmarks will continue to move in that direction. Because of that, we are bringing back our COVID task force and working directly with principals to begin planning for the potential move back to a virtual-only learning environment. In addition to the state of Arizona benchmarks, we are also tracking the availability of substitute teachers and staff, and each day we look closely at the active student and staff cases that are occurring in our schools. These cases are a direct reflection of the spread we are seeing in our community. We are fighting hard to keep our schools open. Our teachers and staff are working overtime to ensure that we have a safe learning environment for our children. We've added Clorox 360 cleaning machines to each of our schools, and we are adding air purification systems to each one of our classrooms. We are continuing with our current mitigation strategies like wearing masks, hand washing, and teaching the impact of social distancing. Unfortunately, many of our families have also been impacted by mitigation strategies like quarantine and isolation. As a parent of a child who was quarantined by her school, I understand the frustration. However, I also understand how fragile our current situation is and know that each thing we do has a positive effect on keeping us open. As we enter into the holiday season, you can help to keep our schools open to in-person learning by wearing masks, conducting home health checks, and staying home when you're not feeling well or exhibiting COVID-like symptoms. It is going to take each and every one of us working together, and we appreciate your support, patience, and diligence. Next week is our Thanksgiving break, and as I take stock in the many things that I am thankful for, one of the biggest is being part of the Peoria Unified Community. I am so blessed to be the superintendent of this outstanding district and am thankful each day to work with such a wonderful community. I ask you, as you consider what you are thankful for, to keep in mind the tireless efforts of the teachers and support staff who are working so hard to guarantee that we are providing each and every child in our district a rigorous, engaging, and safe learning environment. Thank you, and happy Thanksgiving.